Hi everyone, welcome to Dataverse Academy. In this video, we will learn how we can use event stream in Microsoft Fabric. And then we will load the sample data through event stream into our KQL database. Log into your Microsoft Fabric account, then click on below left hand corner, then click on Real-Time Analytics, then click on Workspaces, then click on your workspace. Then click on New, then select Event Stream. Provide name to your event stream, then click on Create. Here you can see this is our event pipeline. In event pipeline we have three components. One is source from which we are going to take the data. Another one is event processor. You can perform some transformation like changing the data type, selecting the particular columns, doing the aggregation. The last one is destination. It can be uh, external KQL database or lakehouse. So let's click on new source. So here you can see we can read the data from Azure Event Hub, Azure IoT Hub, and custom app. Custom app means you can read the data from the Kafka. In the destination, you can see we have custom app, lakehouse, and KQL database. So we can load the data into the KQL database as well as into the lakehouse and custom app. So it can be a Kafka topic where you can publish the data. But in this video, we will read the data from a sample event stream. So click on new source, then click on sample data. So we have two sample data. One is yellow taxi and another one is stock market. So I'm going to read the stock market data. Provide name to your source, then click on add, then click on data preview to see the data. Here you can see we are getting the data in our stream from the source. Then click on new destination. We are going to load the data into our KQL database. Select it, provide destination name, then select your workspace, then select the KQL database, then click on create and configure. Now we need to provide the table name in which we are going to load the event data. There are two options. One is existing and another one is new table. I have not created the table into my KQL database. I'll choose new table. Then click on next source, go below, click on more parameters. So here we don't have any compression data, so it will be none. And here you can provide the start date from which you want to start your stream. So I'm not putting any detail here. Click on next schema. Now it will check the source data type and accordingly it will provide the data format. If it doesn't provide the data format automatically, what you can do, you can change the data format. You can see it selected txt format, but our data is in JSON format, so we need to change the data format to JSON. Now you can see our data has been moved to a tabular format. Next summary, a table has been created into a database and a connection has been created from the source to the target. Now close it, click on data preview, click on refresh. Here you can see some data has been moved to the target table. Let's check the table into our KQL database. Click on your workspace. Then click on your KQL database. Here you can see our stock table. To check the data, click on these three dot, query table, SQL, then show total count records. You can see we got 1000 records. Now let's check overall data. So for that, remove this and select star from stock data. Select it, then click on run. You can see the data in our target table. Now our stream is live. So whenever some data come to the source, it will be moved to the target table automatically. Close this. Go back to your event stream pipeline. That's it in this video. In the next video, we will learn how we can read the data from an event stream, and then we will load the data into the lakehouse. And then we will see how we can use the event processor to modify the data which is coming from the source. Thank you for watching this video.